Hey, this is Zach with Easy Window Washing. I was just going to cover window cleaning solution and what buckets I use to get my day started. When I first started window cleaning, I had the question of what solution do I use? How much soap do I use once I figured out what soap to use? And so I just wanted to cover that really quickly and just show you what I use bucket-wise, solution-wise, and how I transport my water. The two buckets that I use, I have this Unger bucket that I told you about in the $150 window cleaning startup video. I fill that bucket up with water. I add my soap. I have this Unger lid that I got from Window Cleaning Resource. You can use this on the bucket that you get from Home Depot. I also haul water in just this Home Depot 5-gallon bucket. This is what I normally haul clean water in. I just fill it up for the day, and then as my water gets dirty throughout the day, I'll dump this blue bucket and then I'll refill with this orange bucket. So I always have water on hand. This bucket has this watertight seal, so as the truck's moving and sloshing, no water's getting out, and that goes the same for this Unger bucket as well. Alright, I'm gonna go fill up my Unger bucket and then I'll show you the process. I'll bring it back here. Thank you, Mr. Harley. I'll bring it back here and show you what my process is for adding my soap. Alright, so I've got my water here in my bucket. I'm just going to add my soap, kind of just show you how I go about doing it. I've got about 3 gallons, right at 3 gallons in this bucket. Normally that'll last me a pretty good while, a good portion of the day, if not the whole day. As long as you're not doing crazy jobs. If you're just doing jobs that you regularly clean, this normally stays pretty good. I put the water in first and then I add the soap. If you add the soap first, then you add the water, then it's just going to be all bubbles and you're not going to get the most out of your soap. So I just use Dawn, most potent stuff that I can find, because I'm going to dilute it myself, and I grab the big bottles. And so what I normally do is I'll just kind of get a good little stream going here for about 5 or 6 seconds, and that's pretty good like that. That's about it. Once I get my scrubber, then you can kind of stir it up like this if you want to, but honestly in the car ride it's going to take care of that itself. Make sure you seal your bucket, because it's not fun when you get back and all of your towels are wet from your bucket not being sealed properly. There are different kinds of soaps that you can use. I have used Mormon soap, I've used Joy, I've used other types of soap, but honestly this is my favorite. It gives a really smooth glide across the glass. Obviously it cleans it very well, but it also doesn't stick. If you don't use enough soap, you're going to get some kind of sticking on the window as you try to go. Add a little bit more soap, and then that'll help take care of that. So that's how I mix my water in my window cleaning solution. You can kind of mess with it a little bit depending on the climate that you're in. If you're in a hotter place or a colder place, depending on the time of the year as well, you can adjust your soap levels, but that really just comes with experience. I hope that gives you a good idea of where to start with your window cleaning solution. If you have any questions, comment below. Have a great day. Happy cleaning.